Assalamu alaikum students. Uh, you know that we are solving probability, and in the previous video we were solving probability, some questions on probability, and I told you that we will be solving some more questions of this supplemental workbook. So here I am with some more questions. This is page number 35, and in this video we will be solving question number 5. In question number 5 we have a teacher who is asking 36 students which musical instruments they play. P is the set of students who play the piano, G is the set of students who play guitar, and 8 is the set of students who play the drums. The information which the teacher got has been displayed in the form of a Venn diagram. We have a universal set that is represented by E, and we have three overlapping circles. The first one is the piano, guitar and drums as mentioned in the question. We have some numbers written, and we discussed these numbers and what these numbers are telling us in detail when we were doing word problems in Venn diagram. This is basically the same type of question. We have to find the value of x in the first part. So since we know the total number of students, that are 36 students, and we know the numbers which are written in the circles as well as the circles, we have to add them, and we have to subtract it with 36 to get the value of x. So what we'll do, we'll just add all these numbers to check how many numbers are these. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, and 5 20, 20 and 7 is 27, and 27 is 5 is 32. So we know that all these numbers add up to 32, and since we are have a total of 36 students, so what we'll do, we'll just subtract 36 and 32 to get the value of x, which is equals to 4, because 36 minus 32 is equals to 4, so the value of x is 34. So in the first part we have to find the value of x, which is equals to 4. In the second part, a student is chosen at random. We have to find the probability that this student plays the drums but not the guitar. But not the guitar means we just have to cancel the set of guitars. We will not be considering the circle because that belongs to guitar, and now we have only three numbers, 4, 5 and 7. Since we have to look for the drum only, so the numbers which are written in the drum is 5 plus 7, and I know that 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Since I have to find the probability, you know that probability is a division, is a ratio of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. So what will I do? I will just write the favorable outcomes, which is equals to 12, and divided by the total number of outcomes, which is equals to 36, and 12 upon 36 is equals to 1 upon 3. The next part is that we have to find the students who plays only two different instruments. Only two different instruments. You know that what are the regions for the only two different. So this is the region for the only two, this is the region for the only two, and this is the region for the only two. You know that 1 is the region of all the three. So what will I do? I will just add these three. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So the favorable outcome is 11, and I know that the total outcomes is 36. So what will be the probability? 11 upon 36, since I have to find the probability. The last part is a student is chosen at random from those who play the guitar. So we just have to consider the guitar circle. We have to find the probability that this student plays no other instrument. So we have to find the probability in the guitar circle. We have to look in the guitar circle. This is the guitar circle. We have 4 numbers, 8, 2, 1, 4, and we have to find the probability of only those who only play guitar. So this is the number of students who only play guitar, and what is the total? We don't have to add all these because we are just considering the guitar circle. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15, so there are 15 in total. And since we have to find the probability that the students play no other instrument, so we'll just count 8, because 8 are the only number of students who play only the guitar. So 8 upon 15 will be my final answer, because I just read the question very carefully, and the question says that I have to look at the students who play guitar, because I have to choose a student at random from those who play guitar. So that's why I just look at the circle of guitar. I neglected all the other circle, and I have to find, and out of those circle I have 4 numbers in that circle. I have to find the probability of only those students who play no other instrument. So that's why I pick 8, because 2 are the number of students who also play piano. 1 is the students who also play the 3, so I will neglect it, I will also neglect it. And 4 is the number of students who also play drum, so I just have to consider 8, because 8 is the only student who is playing guitar. So that's why I chose 8, and the total number is 15. So the final answer of this is 8 upon 15.